In this video, I'll show you how to verify your Vinted account. So the moment you sign up for Vinted, you are verified via email. Keep that in mind. However, there is another step to verification, and that is verifying your phone number. So if we go to the top right and click on our profile icon, then click on settings, then go to account settings, you'll see under your email verification, you'll see phone number, and then you want to hit verify on the right. And over here, what you will do is choose your country code, mine not being supported. You want to enter your phone number, and then you're going to hit send. From there, they will send you an SMS with a verification code, and you will type in the verification code, and your number will be verified. Again, this is not supported in all regions, but for those that have it, this is how you will verify your phone number on Vinted. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.